Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So it is Berisha Face right here. So today I just deposited $16 and I'm gonna be trading with this account. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm gonna be doing this step by step. Okay, so the currency which I'm gonna be trading today is the ZAR USD. Okay, so guys, I'm looking at ZAR USD right now. You can see that ZAR USD is in an uptrend. Okay, let me first remove this indicator. Okay, so looking at ZAR USD right now, we can see that ZAR USD is in an uptrend. Okay, so the current trend here is an uptrend. Okay, so guys, and then ZAR USD currently has its demand area right now. Okay, so ZAR USD is at its demand area. Okay, so this is a very clean setup. Okay, so this is a very clean setup. Okay, and it's already reacted and it went up. Okay, so let's first start entering slowly, guys. Okay, so guys, I've entered three positions for now. Okay, so just three positions for now. So let's work out how market will react, and then we know what to do, guys. Okay, so guys, let's place some more buy stop orders at this level. Okay, so guys, let's add more buy stop orders so that when market start going up, and we leverage more on the profit. So guys, we are going to be placing buy stop order at 2023. Okay, let's place it at just 2023. Yeah, 2023 is okay. Okay, so as you can see, the market is going up, guys. It's going up. So guys, before the market gets to the level, so it will make a lot of profit and then we'll leverage more with it. Okay, so guys, let's see how this market is going to move. Okay, let's see how this market is going to move, guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, here is my ZAR USD trade. So the buy stop orders got triggered and then everything is now running over $60 profit right now. Okay, so it's running $60 plus right now. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be closing this trade, guys. I'm gonna be closing this trade. Okay, so guys, let me close all my positions, guys. I'm gonna be closing all my positions now, guys. Okay, so guys, I've closed all my positions at 69.39 US dollars, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be looking for another one or two entries to grow this account more. Okay, so our current balance is now 69.39. Okay, from $16. Okay, so guys, let's look for another trade entry. So guys, here is another trade which I just entered, guys. Okay, so guys, this is a fundamental setup. Okay, so immediately when I saw it, I couldn't start the recording because I need to enter immediately. Okay, I don't need to waste time because this is a fundamental setup. Okay, so guys, and immediately after I entered, it spiked down. But I'm not going to be closing it yet. Okay, so I'm gonna be holding it. Okay, because I'm still expecting it to drop. So guys, it's dropping, guys. It is dropping. Okay, I'm running over $500 profit right now. Okay, so guys, this is a new setup. Okay, so that's why it is very very volatile, guys. Very very volatile. Okay, so the market is just dropping. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be closing my positions now, guys. Let me just close and secure the bag. Okay, so guys, I've closed my profit at 591.57. Okay, so guys, I didn't make this money alone. I sent out signal here also. Okay, so that my Telegram members can also benefit from my trade. Okay, so guys, immediately when I saw the trade, I entered my trade and then I sent out signal to my Telegram community so that they also can make money. Okay, so guys, let me update them because our take profits one is hit already. Okay, so guys, TP1 hit successfully, guys. So guys, I've updated them because our take profit one is hit already. So we're just waiting for take profit two now. Okay, so and our rule when TP1 is hit, we said be to wait for TP2. Okay, so guys, any trader I take to flip my account, I send out signal to my Telegram community. Okay, so because that means a lot to me, guys. That means a lot to me. So the Telegram channel link will be placed on this video description. So if you want to join, you should check on this video description. I'm gonna leave a link there. Okay, so that is how we do it, guys. Our balance now is now 591.57. So let's look for another trade and then let's take this account to somewhere again, guys. Okay, so guys, we are still going to be looking for another trade at this same level here again. So we are going to be entering a re-entry. Okay, because I see a loss of momentum on this level. Okay, so I'm still expecting the price to still drop. Okay, I'm expecting price to still drop from this level. Okay, so guys, let's enter, guys. Okay, so guys, after this week rejection, I'm expecting this price to drop. Okay, so this level is still strong and we can still enter trade on this level. Okay, so guys, what we're going to be doing, we are going to place more sell stop orders at 2033.5 so that when market drops we will leverage more on our profit. Okay, so that we can maximize more profit, because here what we are looking for, we are not looking for small profit, guys. We are always looking for a big profit. Okay, 2033.5. Okay, so guys, all sales stop orders are placed down, guys. So guys, let's watch out how market is going to move, guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, now our Zario exit trade is running in over $2,700 profit and over $3,000 equity. Okay, so immediately we enter our, the market dropped a little bit, our sell stop order got triggered and then the market dropped. So guys, let's close out all our trades, guys. Let's close out all our trades. So our $16 is now over $3,000 right now. Okay, so guys, capital is not the problem. All you need is the skill, and I'm ready to give you guys the skill for free. Okay, so this signal, I'm not the only one making money from this signal. I sent out the signal on my Telegram channel. Okay, so I'm not the only one making money from this trade. So look at the signal. I sent out the signal here. Okay, so my Telegram members, they made money also. Okay, so as I'm making money, my Telegram members also, they make money. Okay, so guys, that is how I do my things. Okay, if I make money, I want others people to make money with me also. So guys, I'm not gonna be keeping all this money to myself. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway also. Okay, so the giveaway is to 55 people. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be funding 5 traders $100 each. Okay, so I will fund 5 traders $100 each. So I'll pick those traders from under my comment section, this video's comment section. So and then I'm gonna be giving 50 people free access to my premium channel where I share all my trade signals. Okay, so my premium channel, both my account flipping, all my trades, I share it out there, and then my free Telegram channel, I share 20% of my trades. Yeah. Okay, so to join my free Telegram channel, check on this video description. I'm gonna drop a link there. Okay, and also to win the giveaway, you have to join the Telegram channel because that is where I announce it. So thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to smash like button, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. Thanks.